with MERS, rabies, and Ebola, COVID-19 belongs to a very special type of viral infections called the zoonotic diseases. This lethal ability of some viruses to jump from one species to another is not something that many organisms can actually survive. However, although many animals may be suitable for such transmission, there is one in particular to be considered a viral superhost: bats.
So, how is it that bats seem to be the perfect breeding site for lethal viruses, but don't get affected by them at all? Could this help us to fight COVID-19 and future zoonotic diseases to come? Bats are known to have one of the best immune systems among all mammals, and it may be related to their ability to fly. As it can be inferred, flying costs a lot of energy. Hence, bats are able to switch the mitochondria into hyperdrive mode, so cellular respiration occurs at a very fast rate. However, having mitochondria at its highest performance 24/7 could lead to the creation of what are called the reactive oxygen species, unstable compounds that can cause a lot of damage to the organism, including its own DNA. These imminent threats would trigger in bats a powerful immune response, which may cause severe inflammation and symptoms such as pneumonia and fever, which can, in the worst case scenario, lead to death. To deal with this, bats have evolved sufficiently to be the most efficient in terms of cellular respiration rates, while leaving their inflammation and DNA damage levels as low as possible. Well, but if their immune system is occupied in the prevention of DNA damage, aren't they susceptible to be infected by lethal viruses? The answer is more amazing than it seems. So, let's take a look at the strategy. Remember when I told you that these imminent threats would trigger in bats a powerful immune response? Well, the precise fact that their immune system is always on the watch has as a consequence an increase in the presence of pathogen signaling proteins such as interferon alpha and of viral defenders such as ribonuclease L. Think of bat cells as a system full of cameras. If interferon alpha detects an intruder, it would call L-ribonuclease into the game. This expert fighter would find almost every virus present and would prevent it from reaching the nucleus. And I am saying almost because some of them have managed to hide from the bat security systems and have adapted to its environment. That may be one of the reasons why COVID-19 or Ebola has such resilience in humans. They may have learned in bats how to survive fever or how to dodge immunoreceptors, making our immune system, when they arrive, to go wild and cause what are called as cytokine storms.
COVID-19 was not the first, and it will surely not be the last zoonotic disease we encounter. In fact, we only have the remedies for 10 out of the 200 viral infections that can infect humans. Unfortunately, flying would not be enough solution to be immune towards these pathogens. Instead, gaining a deeper understanding in how superhosts like bats get rid of all these viral infections may give us the answer that we were looking for. And who knows, science is a field full of questions, but it may be the exploration of the unexplored what may provide us the answers.